Okay, here's my poor attempt to explain how I made this motion tracking flow visualization for Tesla Model 3. I'm using OpenFOAM for CFD simulation, which stands for Computational Fluid Dynamics. And OpenFOAM is like a blender in a CFD world. I guess it makes ANSYS and Autodesk. Installing OpenFOAM for Mac is easier than ever thanks to Docker. All it takes is a single command line on your terminal. I'm going to use a motorbike tutorial for incompressible flow solver called SimpleFlow. Simply replace this biker dude with our Model 3. I like the low poly version of Model 3 from this guy, but I'm gonna remix the wheels from this guy. Scale and reposition your car to the right place. Mesh it and solve it for 500 times because we are not designing a real car. Now let's do post-process for CFD simulation using ParaView. View the cross-section with velocity contour. Color the Tesla Model 3 with pressure distribution with green as low and a yellow as a high. Add streamline with velocity with a wrong but satisfying color map. Red as a high speed and blue as a low speed. This is what I do for my day job and good enough for most engineering job with over 80k salary, but not good enough for YouTube. Nothing's good enough for YouTube. Export the view as a VRML file. Now we are ready for Blender for post-processing the CFD result. Add shader, render the result. This will make a good cover for your once-a-year conference keynote for 8 people, but still not good enough for YouTube. Watch Ian's video at half a speed for 10 times and watch CG Matter's video at double speed for 3 times to learn how to do motion tracking. Track the footage, try to automate it, and spend another week to learn how to do it manually. Now I have an error less than 2 pixels. Maybe it's okay because I'm in 4K. Reload the VRML file. This is how you can make the solid body as a masking body. This way you can hide the streamline behind the car. They're not the same model. Notice how my footage has side mirror folded. You'll be surprised how different your product is from the 3D modeling in the real world. Make it as your excuse for your drifting video. Okay, here they are. Here's the original one. One with only streamlines, one with a solid body with pressure contour, and the one with the wireframe. Thanks for watching.